Hello, welcome our The Best 5 channel. Today in this video I'm going to show some of the deep fryers pans which are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months in Amazon. Let's go start. Number 1. T-fal FR8000 Oil Filtration Ultimate Clean Immersion Deep Fryer. This powerful deep fryer with 1700 watts and a 3.5-liter capacity can easily cater for a large family, and it has so many handy features that makes it one of the best fryers on the market. It is a tough cooking machine as the pot is made from non-stick brushed stainless steel and the basket is made from stainless steel mesh. One of the highlights of this high-quality deep fryer is the immersion type heating element that heats the oil fast and keeps the food cooking at an even temperature. The patented clean oil filtration system will get rid of those nasty oil smells that are associated with deep-fried foods, so that you can serve your food without any worries about any lingering oil or grease smell. The deep fryer has an automatic one-step oil drainage system that drains and stores the excess oil away from your food in a pull-out container. You can control the temperature with the adjustable thermostat, and the fryer has a viewing window on the lid. The large Stay Cool touch handle is easy to hold and protects you while you lift out the fried food. There is no mess or fuss with this fryer as the unit's parts are removable and can be washed in the dishwasher. Number 2. DeLonghi D28313 Roto Deep Fryer. The Roto Deep Fryer from DeLonghi with 1500 watts of power uses a small amount of oil while still excelling at producing great-tasting crispy fried food. DeLonghi has designed this funky black unit with so many great features that will make deep frying a breeze. The rotating basket is designed to give you an overall high-quality and healthier cooking results. And due to the innovative patented Easy Clean Oil Drain system, the oil can be drained from the machine through a hose in the front of the unit. There is an adjustable thermostat and a digital timer that is displayed on the control panel, so all you have to do is set the required temperature and time, sit back and relax while the fryer cooks away, and the timer alerts you when the food is ready. You do not have to worry about any lingering oil smell as the unit has dual filtration replacement filters, and the condensation shield stops any dripping oil from falling onto the power cord. The pot is made a non-stick material and it is easy to wash. Highlighted features. Ideal for small servings. Uses less oil. Even cooking due to the rotating basket. Heats up quickly. Adjustable thermostat. Digital control. Ideal for chip, fish and chicken. Good frying results. Number 3. Masterbuilt 23011114 Butterball Indoor Electric Turkey Fryer. If you love the taste of fried turkey and you need to feed a large family for Thanksgiving or Christmas, then the Masterbuilt Butterball Turkey Fryer has got you covered. It especially excels at cooking 16-pound turkeys. You can even use it as a boiler or a steamer. The fryer has a lot of cooking power at 1650 watts, and it uses up to 2.75 gallons of oil. It is a sturdy fryer that is made from solid steel construction, a porcelain-coated pot, and an aluminum cooking basket that has a clip so you can lift the basket out. The dual thermostat controls the temperature up to a maximum of 375 Fahrenheit, which also prevents any overheating, and the digital timer alerts you when the food has finished cooking. The unit is easy to clean and it has a drain valve for the oil. Pros. Solid construction. Ideal for turkeys up to 16 pounds. Cooks perfectly crispy, moist and tasty turkey. Fast. Distributes heat evenly. Cons. Bulky. Hard to clean in a small sink. Electrical cord is too short. Number 4. Char-Broil The Big Easy TRU-Infrared Gas-Powered Oil-Less Turkey Fryer. This gas-powered turkey fryer from Char-Broil not only perfectly cooks 16-pound turkeys, you can also use it to cook a large range of food from chickens, beef roasts, leg of lamb, duck and potatoes, so it is the ideal choice for feeding a large family. Char-Broil has designed this fryer with so many innovative cooking and safety features, you will want to use it all year round. Char-Broil's TRU-registered infrared technology means that the cooking process uses radiant heat, and the rotary ignition ensures that your food is evenly cooked with the juices sealed on the inside and crispy skin on the outside, while still maintaining that deep-fried taste. This smart cooking technique also means you can enjoy oil-free food that is good for your health. The fryer is easy to clean with a stainless steel cooking chamber and a removable grease tray. Handy safety features include a cool touch handle, a full enclosed 16,000 BTUs propane burners, and the fryer also comes with a meat thermometer, an oil drip tray, and a quick start cooking guide. Pros: ideal for a large family. Oil-free cooking cooks great tasting crispy and moist turkey. Cooks a wide range of food. Excellent cooking results. Number 5. Breville BDF 500 XL Smart Fryer. The Breville Smart Fryer made our list for its bells and whistles. The LCD-lit digital display and digital controls offers pre-programmed settings for 7 commonly fried foods: French fries, wings, calamari, and more, whether they're fresh or frozen. Use custom settings as a shortcut when making your favorite dishes. They'll store optimal times and temperatures. The electric deep fryer has a 4-quart oil capacity and can hold up to 2.5 pounds of food. We especially like that the lid is equipped with a filter to minimize cooking odors and that the oil container and frying basket are dishwasher safe. Highlighted features: solid construction, ideal for turkeys up to 16 pounds. Cooks perfectly crispy, moist and tasty turkey. Fast, distributes heat evenly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, so that you don't miss any of our videos, and make sure enable notification bell icon and check the description below for links.